Hello friends, Running Kimono here. In today's video, we're going to do an unboxing of the 12 Days of Gingham, an advent calendar by Bath & Body Works. This is an online exclusive, and the notes of gingham, just in case you don't know what it is, it's blue, freesia, white peach, and fresh clementine. So a very summery, fresh sort of a scent. In case you missed it, I have a video. The big sale is going to be starting on December the 26th over at Bath & Body Works, online and in store. I have the sneakiest suspicion this guy will be probably $25 on Saturday. So let's unbox this beautiful calendar. Hi, Daisy. Okay guys, so today's video we are going to be unboxing the Bath & Body Works 12 Days of Christmas Advent Calendar. As you can see, this is a very sizable box. It's quite large. I mean, compare my hand to it, if that's any comparison, but it is a big mama. So we're just going to take off this gorgeous little bow and open it up. This is an online exclusive only. It was $85 and then it dropped down to I think about $50, and then with the 20% off coupon code I managed to get it for $40. And I think that on the 26th, the day after Christmas, when they have more like, you know, super duper sales, this will go, it'll be almost impossible to get it online. So we'll just open it really quickly and I'll show you what's inside. Oh my gosh, this is really hard to open up. They really, holy smokes, what's this? This is really hard to open. It's like really, holy moly. I'm gonna need like scissors or something. Okay, I will be back. Okay, so we're just gonna have to rip open this box, even though it's totally gorgeous and I don't wanna do it. We'll have to do it. Okay, so number one. This is really hard, guys. They must have like crazy glue or something. Okay, so we have a little pocket back. Let's see if we'll build it. Oh my god, this thing is really stuck in there. So there it is, pocket back. I cannot get it out. It's really stuck in there. And looking for number two, here it is. Oh my goodness. And it's a little holder for the pocket back. So these kind of like work together. I'm just gonna rip these off. There it is. Number three, right here, we got little teddy bear. You need some brute force to open this up because they really have it. Oh my gosh. What do we have here? Oh, look. Destroying everything. It is a little wallflower, and everything has the gingham scent. So there it is, a gingham wallflower. And number four up here, Merry Christmas. Wallflower plug to go with the wallflower. Number five next to it, I think this is a roller ball. It looks like long, like a roller ball. They are not making this one easy to open up. Oh my goodness. Well, certainly fun to open up. It's not going to be the prettiest thing after this is done. And there is a rollerball perfume spray, gingham scent. We are at number six, this little one right here. Oh my god, I'm totally destroying this. I think this is a rollerball, no, it's a solid perfume, so something to definitely throw into your purse. Six, where's number seven? My goodness, this is hard to open. Ooh, that's a little concentrated room spray. I definitely can use one of those. Number eight over here, and if you were gifting this to somebody, you can write to and from right here. Shower gel. Okay, so now we're looking for number nine right here. This is an ugly process, guys. It's not gonna, you're not gonna have this box looking nice at the end because they really taped it down. Or we have a little fragrance mist, so really nice. And then number 10 is up here. Ooh, a little hand cream. That's also really cool. And then number 11, right here. This is hard. It's another moisturizing lotion. And then I think this must be number 12 up here. Oh, number 12 is right here. There we go. Merry Christmas, number 12. This should have had something in it, I think. That's my one complaint. You know, they actually had a teddy bear. I was kind of hoping to see him in here. I thought that would be like a really nice thing for Christmas Day. But if you really love the gingham scent, this is definitely something to keep your eye out for on the 26th. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.